Hello, you're watching Esther from Stampin' Style Creations. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you another card using the Swirly Bird set from Stampin' Up. While I was playing with this, I had an idea of using the shapes to turn them into little fishes. And that was using these petal shapes here. And I've used the grassy twig shape for some seaweed. Got a bit of sunshine, and we're going to be using the string of the kite also, as well as the boat shapes. I'll tell you as I go along. So I tried to going to stick to one colour family today, and using the Brights colour ink pads for this video. So we'll go straight in and start off with the boat shape. I'm just going to pop him onto my clear block, like so. Get the tempting turquoise, and I'm going to set our boat about there. I'm going to go in with the neck sail, pop that alongside it. And the bottom of the boat. Now, because I want to stick to one colour family, I'm going to be using real red for the boat. There, I think that works. Looks nice and nautical. And then we'll go in with the sunshine. So I'm using the little swirl from the stamp set to create the sunshine, and using the Daffodil Delight, which is the yellow. Pop him in the corner. Now, to get the sun rays from the card, I stamped that stamp onto a bit of post-it note and then cut it out to create a mask. And then using the string from the kite stamp, you can go in and create some sun rays. So when I peel this off, you'll see the sun and just the rays. Let's do one more. There we are. Let's peel that back, and there you go. That's how we created the sun rays. Then I'm just going to clean this off, and using that same wiggly line stamp, we're going to go in to create the waves of the sea. Let's turn this round, so we want it to look as if the boat is floating on the sea. Sorry, I'm just trying to concentrate as I put this down. There we are. Now what I did next is leaving one side to join up to the swirl, and then to create these wave shapes like so. I think I'm going to leave it there. Okay, we're going to go on and grab our little leafy stamp, and going in with the old olive. And these just create the seaweed up the side. So just repeatedly going in with that stamp, so it looks like a bit of seaweed coming up from the sea. Okay, look like it's moving about a bit. Some on this side. Just join them all up until you get the desired effect. Yep, I think I'm happy with that. It's a nice seaweed colour, that old olive. Okay, let's show you how to do the fish. For this we're going to use the pumpkin pie. and using the larger petal first for the main body, and then we're going to introduce the smaller petal shape later. So with your petal shape, you want it, if I put it in my hand, lying sideways, so this is like his head and that's the end of his body there. So it helps if you have that set up on the block. Okay, we're going to go in with our colour. We'll have a fish over here, I think, and let's have one near the bottom of the sea. Okay, using the same colour, we're going to go in with the smaller petal shape. And we want it to be this way round, so with the tail end flicking up on the left hand side. Now what I found is if we stamp off once and then go in, it gives a nice translucent look, as if it's a real fishy tail. And then the next bit I did was to give its top fin, and then we're doing the base fin using that same stamp. As you can see, our fish is taking shape. So those are the tail fins. Oh, I didn't stamp off then, did I? Let's give him a bit of colour. Never mind, that's okay. Just work with it. I was too busy talking. Yeah, let's give him a bit of extra colour. There's different fishes in the sea, isn't there? So, and his bottom fin there. So just to create that water effect, I've just layered a bit of vellum on the top and cut it to follow the line of the stamp. But I think I'm just going to leave this one as it is today. And I'm using Pacific Point cardstock to match the ink. Go straight in with our Tombow glue, which is a great liquid glue. Gives you a chance to move around once it's stuck, but then once it's stuck it sticks well. So not going too near the edges with the glue, because we don't want it to come out the edge. And lining up your picture. And sticking it down. I've got a bit of wiggle room, so just moving it, adjusting it slightly where I need to. And then we have our fishy card using the Swirly Bird Stamp Set. Thank you for watching, Esther from Stampin' Star Creations. Hope to join me next time for some more ideas using the Swirly Bird Stamp Set.